This 2026 Palomino Puma 3.2 BHQS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 38 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Palomino Puma 3.2 BHQS is 9,072 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.